Maybe skinny. Oh yeah, 5.
Okay, now push them all down and make sure the shapes are good. Let's see. That is so funny.
Okay, time to lift. Okay, so now I guess we
Oh,
build.
let me take a picture. Move your hand.
Okay. This is the super test.
The super test. How's the pancake taste? Come on, make your shapes. Focus, focus. Make the shapes, put them in your plate, and then we'll sit down. Close. Whoopla!
Whoopla! Ooh, that's a pretty good.
Do you like that?
You like mine?
I do. I gotta do that for 1 sec. Done. How are we doing over here? Put them in your plate. Dun 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 dun.
That you put the syrup right here. You put the butter on here, and the syrup over here. So butter on here, on these people, and the syrup right over here. Okay?
What's the magic word?
Please.
Butter where?
On these people. Please.
This butter's frozen. Watch your eyes there. And syrup on this one?
No, and syrup over here. Syrup over here, please.
Okay.
Thank you. And then, Dad, did you
Yeah,
want
hold.
butter on the snowman?
Oh, shoot. What?
Why did you say shoot?
Well, this one's a little bit harder to turn over. Butter on who? Oh, on the snowman. Excuse me, sir. There you go. Okay, go over here and sit. Take your fork.
Oh,
Here it is. Here's your milk.
thank you.
Putana. Little bird on the side there, but we will keep it. Daddy gets the burned ones. Because I love you. You, Luca.
You want the burned one?
Yeah, but it's, I mean, just burned a little bit.
That milk was good. Oh, red.
Hmm?
I drank the milk already.
You did? Moon River. Ready to go to Half Moon Bay?
Yep. Are you taking a video? Are you taking a video?
I am.
You are?
I am. And when you're older,
Uh-huh.
Mom would say, look, remember when we used to make pancakes together? You'll be like, huh? I don't remember anything. Oh, like, here.
Daddy.
This is proof. Because you forget everything. Okay, move. Move.
Woo!
Dun, dun, dun. The fire is off. Light is off.
And you know what we need to turn on?
Mwah. What do we need to turn on?
Eating.
Eating. Do you taste the lemon?
Not really. I guess on this bite I did.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm. That looks so burned over.
A little bit, but not that much. Good pancakes. I agree. What do you think, sir?
Ah!
Are the Giants going to win the playoffs?
Pancake time.
Okay.